Where are we taking him?
We're taking him. Mommy, does he want to sleep in his crib? Mommy, does he want to sleep?
I don't know.
Look.
Cool.
Can we give it to baby brother?
Yeah, here.
Here, baby brother.
Can you tell him? Say, here's your room. And Adele, where's he going to sleep?
In his crib.
He is.
Right now.
No, not right now. What else is in his room? Can you show him? What's this?
Wagon. Can we put baby brother in here?
No, I don't think so.
Why?
No. And what's over there? Show him his chair.
Can he sit in it? And here's his teddy bear.
Oh.
Can he hold it?
Yeah, thank you. Oh.
All his cards.
Wow, who did that?
I hope that.
You help Pep do that? All right, well, thank you for showing baby brother his room. Say welcome home, baby brother.
Home, baby brother.